Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Jason Yoder, and this is where I share with you my passions for travel and photography, and also some ways how to pay for all that travel. So what I'm going to do tonight, I'm in the Hawaiian Islands. I'm on the island of Oahu, and I figured tonight I'm going to make an epic climb up Koko Head Crater for a sunset photo shoot. Now, just to kind of give you an idea of how hard this is going to be, for every 2 feet I travel, I will gain 1 foot in elevation. There's 1,048 steps on this trail I'm about to take with my full camera gear. This is going to be fun. So if you like to learn about travel and photography tips, just click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tonight I'll do all the hard work. You just sit back, relax, and enjoy.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
Alright, so I'm guessing I probably have about 10 pounds of gear on my back right now. So from my maximum weight, I am down, 10 pounds. I'm down 10 pounds, so I just regained all the weight that I lost since this past summer. This will be a good reminder why I'm trying to get in better shape. So this is definitely something for those who are looking for more of a challenge. Now, don't take this lightly. I've been doing CrossFit training since like June, July. So I'm in relatively good shape, but this is going to be difficult for me. So yes, I'm going to show you guys what I hope is going to be an epic sunset from the top of Koko Head. But I've also been training for this as well. Now, I do have 2 different flashlights, my phone and my headlamp, good shoes, plenty of water. Wow, this is going to be some serious vertical.
And some serious vertical it is. This is a strenuous hike. Just approaching the trail, you can see that it is an old World War II railway to the top. These first steps are the easy ones. Wait till you see what's coming up later on.
Whew. This part of the trail just got interesting. Take a look at this. Better not slip. Seriously, better not slip. Here we go. Coming to the steep part. Alright. We are getting close to the steepest part of the trail. My best guess means I'll be 2/3 of the way up.
Now, if this little guy can make it, I had better be able to make it to the top.
Now that's a good doggy. Oh my God. The start of the steepest part. I got 48 minutes till sunset. Almost at the end of the steepest part. This is epic.
So, as you can see, this hike is no joke. Anybody can drive along a road, pull over, and take a picture. But if you don't want the image that everybody else has, If you want that rare, epic image that makes people stop in their tracks and imagine themselves in the picture, then you need to head off the beaten path. I think this qualifies.
Oh, thank God. The winds are kicking in. By the way. Hang on. Here we go. Forgot to stop it. Forgot to stop about 20 feet back. 53, 57. Looks like I might get some epic light. Hydrate a little bit. Set this thing up for tonight. Wow, what a view. Looks like tonight we're gonna have an epic sunset, which after that climb we better. But wow, look at the light hitting the mountains behind us. That's epic.
This experience is not just about the photography, it's about the moment. Don't get so caught up in capturing every second with your camera that you forget to kick back, relax, and enjoy the moment. So a few minutes or a few seconds, we should see if we get the famous screen flash. There it is, little green flash. And now we gotta go down in the dark. Here we go, down in the dark. This part of the trail is taking a lot longer than going up. Just making sure you don't slip on the way down. Just turn the knee a little bit. Not the bad knee, the other one. Just massaging and to recover. A few minutes, I should be down off the worst part of this trail. I was wrong. The part where you can fall down on, still to come. Finally, the last step. Oh, thank God. So I'm back down in the parking lot. 59 minutes up, 45 minutes down.
That was epic. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly put an effort on this one. I'd appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. A comment or two would also be nice. I'm gonna go back to the hotel, take a shower, get some dinner, and go to bed. I'll see you all in the next episode. Remember, never stop exploring.